In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Temu app order after ordering. If you recently placed an order on Temu using your computer browser and realize that you need to make changes afterward, then this tutorial will walk you through the process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. Whether you want to update product details, adjust quantities, change your shipping information, or review the status of your order, it's important to act quickly before the order gets shipped. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer and head over to the official Temu website. Once the homepage loads, sign in to the same account you used when placing the order. Make sure you are using the correct account so you can access your recent purchases and order information without any issues. After logging in successfully, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu containing several account-related options. From there, select the section labeled Your Orders or Orders. This area contains your recent purchases, including orders that are still being processed, shipped, delivered, or completed. Now, locate the specific order you want to modify and open its details page. Here, you'll be able to review the products included in your purchase and check the current order status. The most important thing to understand is that changes are usually only possible while the order is still being processed. Once the package has already been shipped, many modifications may no longer be available directly through the platform. If your order is still in processing, look for options such as Edit Order, Cancel Item, Update Address, or Customer Support Assistance. Depending on the order type and shipping stage, Temu may allow you to cancel specific items, adjust shipping details, or request support before the package leaves the warehouse. In some cases, you may need to contact Temu customer support directly if the edit option is not visible. Customer support can sometimes help with order adjustments or explain what changes are still possible based on your order status. Be sure to review everything carefully before confirming any updates to avoid additional delays or issues with your shipment. It's also a good idea to regularly monitor your email notifications and account updates because Temu usually sends confirmation messages whenever an order status changes. Acting early gives you the best chance of successfully updating your order before it moves into the shipping process. And that's basically how you can change a Temu order after placing it using a browser. The process is straightforward as long as the order has not already been shipped out for delivery. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.